Yeah. How to make 2,000 naira per month on dividend stocks. Before you start making money in stock markets, you have to invest quite some amount of money. And to make money in dividend stocks, you have to invest in dividend stocks. If you want to know how much you need to invest before you make 2,000 naira every month, I will show you a quick way to know. Stay with me here. On the description are different investment apps you can download and start investing in stock markets. Right now, let's go over to how to make 2,000 naira per month on dividends. First, you need to do research on some dividend stock you want to buy. Always buy companies with strong fundamentals. The next thing you need to do is turn your monthly dividend amount into yearly dividend amount. In this case, you multiply 2,000 times 12. That will give you 24,000 naira. This is the annual amount you will be receiving from your investment as dividends. Then, find the dividend yield of the company you want to invest in. In our example, I will use PZ Nigeria with dividend yield of 10.98%. Change it to decimal figure. You will have 0.1098. The next step we will take is take your annual dividend amount, which is 24,000 naira, and divide it by the dividend yield. In our calculation, you will have 218,580 naira. That is to say, you need to invest 218,580 naira today into PZ Nigeria stocks to make 2,000 naira every month as dividends. This is a straight and simple way to understand how to invest in dividend stocks. Remember to subscribe, share, and like my channel. Thank you.